Hello, good morning to all my subscribers. So currently I'm in KLIA2, so I'm waiting for my flight to Taipei around 9:10 a.m. in the morning. So once I'm touched down in Taipei, I will show you the surrounding of the Taipei airport, and I will show you on how to ride the train from Taipei airport to the city center. So just wait for me. So right now I'm waiting, just sipping my coffee. The flight is gonna be 4 hours to Taipei, so I decided to just having something to eat first because I just wanted to sleep in the flight. So yeah, it's one of the way to save costs. So let's see what happens in Taipei. This is my ticket saying to Taipei. So this big paper inside my passport is my Saudi visa, so I just want to keep it attached as memory. So here, coffee bean, here I eat. So this is our flight to Taipei. So let's enjoy the 4 hours ride. So right now I'm in Taoyuan International Airport. So let's head to the immigration gate. You can see Taiwan. To the arrivals. Yeah, it's written in English. Okay. It's very long because everyone's coming to Taiwan to celebrate New Year. So right now I managed to take my SIM card via Club at the counter right behind me. So and then we need to find the MRT station. Okay, so you just need to follow the signboard. Okay, you don't need to be panic. Okay, you just follow the signboard. It's written in English, both in English and in Mandarin. Okay, so this is what food court looks like in the airport. Okay, you see I'm in the food court. So now I will get the Hello Kitty Easy Pass. So it's just worth only $3, $150 for the card, and $200 value credit inside. So you can just step in until it's finished. You can reload it in the Subway convenience store. Okay, so you can grab this one at this counter. Okay, so now we are at Taipei Airport MRT station, so we need to go to the Taipei main station. So there are two different lines, commuter and express, so you need to decide which one you need to choose. So the purple line is for express, only has 3 stops, and the blue one is the commuter train, where it stops in every station. Okay, so you need to choose wisely. So here's the train station to the Taipei main station. Okay, from Airport Terminal 1 to Taipei main station.
So there are 2 lines in to the Taipei main station. One is the blue line and the second one is the purple line. The purple line stops only at 3 stations, but the blue line stops at each station. So you need to choose wisely which line you want.
now almost 1 hour, so we are at Sanchong station. One station left to Taipei main station. Okay. So now we are at Taipei main station. Right now I'm in Taipei main station, so you just follow the signboard and then you will find here Taipei main station. So I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.